Good morning, everyone. It's Shauna, the Tax Goddess. Today, I want to talk about the PPP Round 2. Now, we've been covering this since it came out way back early at the end of last year, beginning of this year, the eligibility for PPP Round 2. But we are coming up on a deadline, guys. PPP Round 2, as of today, as of March 23rd, 2021, does close. It ends on March 31st of 2021. So, how do you know if you qualify? How do you know if you can get money with this? There's really some very basic qualifications here, okay? So in order to qualify for PPP Round 2, you must previously have received the first draw loan amount and or will have used the full amount for authorized uses. So basically, if you got the PPP Round 1, but you did not use it for payroll, rent, utilities, or business mortgage interest, you used it for some other purpose, you will not qualify for PPP Round 2. Now, the second thing is that you cannot have more than 300 employees, 300. So you must have less than 300 employees to qualify. And the last bit, and this is actually kind of a cool test here, because we're talking about gross receipts, gross revenue, not net profit. So if you can demonstrate a 25% drop in gross revenue between comparable quarters in 2019 versus 2020. So for example, if in the first quarter of 2019 versus the first quarter of 2020, you had more than a 25% drop in that quarter, you will be eligible for PPP Round 2. Now, why do I love PPP? Okay, there's lots of goods and bads to having a PPP loan, but one of the most positive benefits of this is first, you're getting cash to attempt to keep your business open and running and be able to pay your people so they have jobs. So yay for the economy. All right. Secondly, we are expecting that these loans are going to be the same as the first loan. So basically, as long as you use them for approved purposes, they will be forgivable. They will not be taxable, which is huge on forgiveness, not taxable. So it is literally the definition of free money. So if you qualify for these, I would absolutely highly recommend that you go and apply and do it soon. The portal is now closing in 8 days from now, March 23rd of 2021. So definitely go and apply for PPP Round 2 if you have not already. Now, this round of PPP had one extra little twist to it. If you're a borrower, so a business, in the PPP categories of accommodation or food services, okay? So for all other businesses, you are eligible for 2.5 times the average monthly 2019 or 2020 payroll costs up to $2 million. So really 2.5 times $2 million, you could get up to $5 million under this program. Of course, you can't bypass 300 employees, so those would be some very well-paid employees. But you can get up to 2.5 times your average monthly, so not the annual, but monthly payroll from 2019 or 2019. Now, if you're in the accommodation or food services sector, you can actually get 3.5 times. So if you're a restaurant, if you're a hotel, if you're in either of those two those categories. Now, if you need to confirm, use the NAICS, the NAICS code 72 to confirm whether or not your business is actually going to fall in those categories. Your second round PPP is up to 3.5 times the average payroll cost, still up to $2 million. So, how do you apply? Normally, you would go to your main primary bank. Okay. A lot of the banks have been significantly overwhelmed, just like they were in the first process of this. So if you need help, if you're not sure where to go, if your bank has told you we're not taking any additional applications, the SBA actually approves the lender match program. So it's sba.gov. Let me get you that exact address, sba.gov/funding-programs/loans/lender-match. Okay. So I will put the link down here in the comments for everyone. The SBA has given us this particular website so that you can very easily find matches for lending. Now, guys, as I said, this program closes on March 31st. So I would highly, highly recommend that if you meet these qualifications, you jump on submitting that application right away. Now, I do see that we have a comment here, so thank you so much for our live comments. I can show that you've got some income reduction, but not on payroll, as we're mainly independent contractors. Now, this is a really good question. So if you're the one that owns the business and you pay your people as contractors, the PPP does not apply to you paying your contractors, because technically your contractors are their own business. Okay, so if you are the contractor and you're the one receiving the 1099, the PPP round 2 does work for you as well. It works for owners of businesses getting W-2s. It works for 1099 contractors who are their own owner of a business. So if you are the person basically paying self-employment tax, the 15.3% self-employment tax on your income, I would highly recommend that you reach out to either through the lender match program or reach out to your bank directly and say, hey, I want to apply. My income has dropped more than 25%. How do I go about getting that money? So please, 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 guys, go apply, go get your cash. There's only 8 days left as of this morning. They may extend it, but I haven't heard any rumors about them extending this. So at this point, it's a toss-up. I would recommend that you go and apply as quickly as possible. All right, thanks so much, guys. Hope everyone is having a great day. And if you have any questions, as usual, don't hesitate to reach out to us on taxgoddess.com. Or, of course, you can always book an appointment directly with me and my team, and we'd be happy to try to answer questions for you. And, of course, you can always ask questions in our Facebook group, Tax Strategies That Help Entrepreneurs Save Thousands. And, of course, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, all the other places. So as business owners, Tax Goddess is here to support you and to make sure that you are doing well and you survive and you thrive through these really tough times. So if you have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Our specialty is business owners taking home 6, 7, 8-figure salaries, taking home that income. So if you have any questions on anything, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks so much, everybody. Have a great day. Bye.